Changing your bank account cold turkey isn't a bad idea if you're trying to curb overspending or relocating. However, you don't want your credit scores to suffer if you say goodbye to your bank, do you? When it comes to your credit score, your bank account is not the only factor that matters. While these other factors may be linked to your bank account itself has no effect on your credit score if you close it. Your bank balance and credit score are linked because several factors are interdependent. Examples include negative closing balance. Did you leave your bank account with outstanding dues that haven't yet been paid? If so, this can negatively affect your credit score. Overdraft bank accounts. Your bank drafts might not have a significant effect on your credit score, or even on the major credit bureaus. Repayment records. Your overdue payments and other parts of bank records are still visible after you've said goodbye to your bank account. Here are a few steps to take to close your bank account effectively. View your transactions carefully. If you're switching bank accounts, review the transactions and deposits carefully before starting the new account or closing the previous one. Apply for second chance bank accounts. With the help of these accounts, users can recover some of their lost credit and faulty reports. Even though closing a bank account will not affect your credit score, it is still essential to monitor your credit scores, since these records have long-term consequences. Check your credit score today. Is your personal information on the dark web? Make sure your identity isn't at risk.